Almost all co-op and condo buildings in New York City have renovation rules which you must follow as a unit owner. A co-op building's rules for renovations are usually listed in the building's alteration agreement. The main purpose of co-op renovation rules in New York City is to make sure that your proposed renovations won't harm the building, to ensure that you and your contractors have adequate insurance, and to ensure that the construction is orderly and considerate of fellow residents. Insurance. The construction industry in New York City is highly litigious, and it's quite common for contractors to sue apartment owners and employees or subcontractors to sue co-ops and unit owners. Therefore, co-ops will usually require all of your contractors to maintain and provide proof of at least $1 million of comprehensive insurance. Scope of work. Co-op renovation rules are also designed to prevent apartment owners from making renovations which may harm the structure or mechanicals of the building itself. As such, the co-op will typically require you to pay for the building's architect and engineer to review the plans of your proposed renovations. Some co-ops also have blanket prohibitions on specific types of alterations, such as installing a washer and dryer, adding another bathroom, or increasing the electrical load in your apartment. Construction hours. Co-op renovation rules always establish a framework for construction hours, holidays, as well as the maximum number of weeks any construction, alteration, or renovation work may last. A typical co-op building in New York City usually only permits construction between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Most co-ops also prohibit any construction work on Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays. In rare cases, a co-op or condo may permit non-noise-making work on the weekends, such as plastering and painting. Many co-ops also prohibit the use of jackhammers or any unusually loud tools at all times unless prior approval is given by the building. Co-ops may also restrict the total length of time you're allowed to renovate. A common maximum renovation time frame is 4 months. Co-ops with elevator capacity issues may also cap the number of apartments which are permitted to be renovated at the same time. Fees and liability. Most co-ops will charge you a non-refundable alteration agreement processing fee and possibly a deposit. Another purpose of the alteration agreement is to make you assume absolute liability for any monetary or other damages which are caused by your renovation work. You'll typically be required to sign the alteration agreement and submit this along with the fees, proof of insurance, contractor quotes, and architectural and engineering plans. Looking to buy or sell a home in New York? Learn how you can save on commission and closing costs at www.housit.com.